Hello again, traders. Welcome back to the Pro Trader Network. Rick here. This is our weekly market analysis for the week ending April 16th, 2017. And looking back at last week's analysis, it took till midweek for those CAD crosses to reverse and begin their rallies. It's very important that you're patient and that you look at those higher time frames as well. We were actually kind of waiting for an ABCD completion on those 4-hour charts, which still hasn't occurred, but we followed that market baseline to the extreme on those 1-hour charts and actually got into some good entries midweek. Let's look at some 4-hour charts and 1-hour charts today. I'm concentrating right now on this Euro Yen chart, 4-hour. You can see here we are extreme oversold, waiting for that market baseline to creep down a little bit. New structure low here, right about the 115 even handle. And you can see this complete bearish trend that's been occurring since the middle of March. I'm looking for a reversal candle pattern confirming this bottom here and looking for divergence on this 4-hour yen chart. Pound yen doing the same thing, pushing down to new structure lows right around the 136 even handle, 135.85s, and our RSI and trade signal line oversold, market baseline pushing down to the extreme. I'll be watching that as well. Let's look at some 1-hour charts. Here we have our Euro Aussie. Now if you look at the 4-hour chart here, traders, we've made the bearish rotation. We're coming into some previous structure here, this previous support right around the 139.60s, 50s, and look left. We have some noise here, and we've got some previous structure here back in early March, and you can see at the end of the day we had sellers pushing this market down to the 39.80s, and our RSI and trade signal line are at the 32. Market baseline not quite there yet, but let's look at this 1-hour chart. We've had our first wave here, and now it looks like we could be creating some bullish divergence. We have price moving down and our oscillator moving up. We have to wait till this second wave forms to see if we have bullish divergence, but you can see here our market baseline has approached the extreme, so I'll be looking for this sell-off perhaps to retest this low down here at the 139.50s, and then if we get some bullish divergence we may have a long opportunity here. Here's our pound Aussie 1-hour. Same scenario, market baseline in the extreme, first wave, price potential to move down, look left. We've got a lot of structure and noise right here, right at the 6,500 even handle. And our next stop will be down here, right around the 63.85 area. But we want to watch our TDI and see if we get this second wave that creates bullish divergence at an area of structure. Here's our Euro Kiwi. Same scenario on these pairs as we had on the Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. Look, we're in kind of no man's land right now. We have no structure to reference in current price action. Let's look at our 4-hour chart. We've got a long way to go here before we hit structure again, traders. We've got some noise currently right around the 5100 even handle, but look down here right around the 148 even handle. We've got a long way to drop. Our current analysis on the 1-hour shows us we might be able to catch a bounce on this overall sell-off, and currently price moving down, oscillator here potentially making our second wave for bullish divergence, market baseline near the extreme. Pound Kiwi, similar scenario, market baseline not quite to the extreme where we like to see it, but we've come into a lot of noise here. Look left right around the 78.50s. We'll see if we can break below and close below this and create perhaps a second wave for bullish divergence. So that's what I'm looking at the open on these 1-hour charts, and then just monitoring these yen crosses. We're coming into some new lows, and I want to be patient and see if we have any trend reversal opportunities in the coming days at the beginning of next week. We have big news out of China. They've got their GDP, which will have a huge effect on the markets. That's a few hours after the open on Sunday, so I'll be seeing how that high impact announcement affects a lot of these yen crosses. Again, I want to welcome a lot of you that took advantage of this lower price of the Excel Course 2.0. I've enjoyed working with some of you. You guys have really been enthusiastic about getting involved, and I really enjoy talking to you and Skyping with you and answering your questions. It's very satisfying for me to see that you're making a commitment to your trading, getting serious, and you're putting in the time that it takes to get a real grip on the amount of effort required to make it in the markets. So keep those emails coming, traders, and we'll keep collaborating on getting you up to speed and getting you consistent and profitable. Thanks for spending time here at the Pro Trader Network, and as always, let's stay focused, follow our rules, and I'll see you next time.